Hey guys, welcome to the channel. This is how to fix iRobot Roomba E6 error 6. So guys, this error means the cliff sensors are blocked or dirty. So the robot thinks it's near a drop like stairs and refuses to move. So guys, first press and hold the clean for 20 seconds to reboot, then press clean again to turn it back on, and this simple restart can fix the issue. If it doesn't, you can just simply clean the clip sensors by flipping the Roomba upside down and use a soft, dry cloth or cotton swab to clean all four cliff sensors. Their small black windows near the bottom edges. And now, another thing is avoid dark flooring. Dark carpets or floors can fool the sensors into thinking there's a cliff. Now guys, another one is ensure the room is well lit, especially during initial mapping, because poor lighting can affect the sensor readings. And there you go. I hope this video helped you out. Thanks for watching.